C'est lui qui était avec notre chef.
On a besoin de votre attention. Voici Prominent.
J'étais avec Prosper.
Because the restaurant was closed.
Parce que le restaurant était fermé.
So we decided to go and buy some legumes and some chicken.
Nous avons ainsi décidé d'aller acheter quelques légumes et du poulet.
So when we passed by the place, there were 3 guys who were sitting there.
Lorsque nous passions, il y avait 3 personnes qui y étaient assis.
And we passed them, but when we bought the things, when we were coming back,
Quand nous sommes passés, nous sommes allés acheter les affaires de notre tour,
they were still sitting there.
ils étaient toujours là, les 3 personnes.
Then there's one who was a little bit taller than the other. He stood up and started walking about 2 meters in front of us.
Il y avait l'un d'entre eux qui était le plus grand de taille. Il s'est mis debout et il a marché au devant de nous.
He just walked a few meters, then he turned back and started coming to us.
Alors il a fait comme s'il passait, puis il a tourné et il est venu vers moi.
Then as he came to me, he first met me, then I tried to grip me, then I punched him.
Alors qu'il est venu en face de moi, il a voulu s'accrocher à moi et donc je l'ai boxé.
Then I turned to see Prosper. The other 2 guys, they were now holding Prosper.
Et quand j'ai tourné derrière moi pour regarder, j'ai vu que les 2 gars avaient déjà pris Prosper.
Then I returned to help him.
Et je me suis retourné pour l'aider.
Then I punched the other one.
J'ai boxé l'autre.
And the other one, I don't know if it was the other one or which one. Cut Prosper here on the side here with the knife. Then he stepped him on the leg.
Mais je ne sais pas lequel des 2 d'entre eux, l'un lui a blessé comme à la poitrine et l'autre lui a transpercé la cuisse.
Then Prosper told me that I've been stabbed.
Et Prosper m'a dit que j'ai été poignardé.
And I noticed there was a lot of blood that was coming from his leg.
Et j'ai vu qu'il y avait beaucoup de sang qui sortait de sa cuisse.
The light came and put him inside the road.
Et j'ai essayé de le traîner et je l'ai mis au milieu de la route.
I was stopping cars, but they were just passing us.
Et j'essayais d'arrêter les véhicules, mais ils passaient toujours.
They saw that there was a lot of blood and I was covered in blood. Prosper was covered in blood, but they never stopped.
Ils ont vu que Prosper était couvert de sang et le sang coulait davantage, mais ils ont refusé de s'arrêter.
Then after some few minutes, Prosper felt like he fell unconscious.
Et après quelques minutes, Prosper a perdu la conscience.
Then I tried to keep on talking to him, but he was no longer responding.
Et j'ai essayé de continuer à parler avec lui, mais il ne me parlait plus.
We had removed his t-shirt. That was the one which I was covering to keep the blood from flowing out, but it was still coming out.
Et j'ai essayé d'ôter son t-shirt qu'il avait pour attacher le pied qui saignait, mais le sang coulait toujours.
It was after a lot of time that there were 2 guys, him and who is that one? And they were just going. I don't know if they were going to the market.
C'est après un certain temps qu'il y avait nos 2 frères mariés qui partaient vers le marché.
Then they saw us. Then one of them, him, I think it's him, we turned to call the police.
Et ils nous ont vus et l'un d'entre eux s'est retourné pour alerter la police.
So it was after some time that the police came and they called the ambulance and it came after a lot of time and proceeded.
C'est après un certain temps que la police est venue aussi tardivement et l'ambulance est venue tardivement, mais Prosper n'était plus conscient.
So we took him and put him in the ambulance and we went to the hospital.
Nous l'avons pris et l'avons placé dans l'ambulance et sommes partis à l'hôpital.
But when we were still in the road, because there were a lot of water, it was cold there, and the Prosper was telling me that he was very cold. He was feeling cold because the cold had entered inside.
Quand nous étions en train de partir dans l'ambulance, il y avait là de l'eau. Et Prosper me disait qu'il avait froid parce qu'il avait de l'eau même dans son pull.
So it was the only thing that was telling me that he is cold. Prominent told them that I'm feeling cold.
C'est la seule chose que Prosper me disait. Il disait, Prominent, dis-leur que j'ai froid.
So we went to the hospital and they just bandaged him and put him in a room.
Et nous sommes partis à l'hôpital. Ce qu'ils ont fait, ce n'est tout simplement que de bander son pied et l'ont mis dans une chambre.
I went to the hospital and said it was me, Prosper, and said.
Je suis parti dans ce côté, Prosper a dit.
I was with Seydou.
Et j'étais avec Seydou.
So, Prosper, when we were inside the room, he started talking to me. He was telling me that I should call his father. He wanted to talk to his father.
Et quand nous étions dans cette salle où les médecins n'ont même pas pris soin de lui, Prosper me disait, je dois parler avec mon père.
He kept on telling me, Prominent, call my father.
Et il a continué à me dire, Prominent, appelle mon père.
So he was trying to record the number, but he didn't finish the number because he wasn't.
Il essayait de se rappeler du numéro de son père, mais il n'a pas fini de se rappeler. Et il a perdu conscience.
And I just told him, like, Prosper, okay, we are calling your father. We are calling father. Just stay with me. We are calling your father.
Et je continuais à lui dire, Prosper, écoute, nous allons appeler ton père. Continue à parler, s'il te plaît.
Then he just told me that, Prominent, thank you, may God bless you.
Et il a dit, Prominent, que Dieu te bénisse, merci. C'était ses dernières paroles et il ne m'a plus parlé. On va partir. Allez, allons-y. C'est méchant.